I don't know what happened, but I'm receiving it. It's used. It's dusty all over the place. It's full of dust. I didn't even try to turn it on. Just by the look of it, it's totally messed up. This is not acceptable at all. I just received it now. I just opened the package now. Everything's still here. Like, this one is not even straight to the point.
We've only had this product for maybe a week and a half, 2 weeks, and we have on the sensor's quit working. Now it won't charge. This is plugged up. This is the main housing unit where it charges. It no longer works, and the company's telling me to send a video into them in which on the Amazon account you cannot.
Oh my god, I climbed over the rug. Oh, that thing. Hardcore. Wasn't working, and I opened it up and look what I found. They had taped it, so it might be refurbished, but it doesn't